Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out what is the WalaBOT. The WalaBOT do-it-yourself. What is it? It's a piece of crap. That's what it is. I'm like at awe in why it even exists. I had nothing but terrible luck with it. So all the negative reviews you see out there is 100% true, because I got this because I wanted to see how good it was or how bad it was, and it's not what it shows on the box. It's not what all these commercials you see on YouTube and on Facebook and all that stuff. It's 100% crap. It's a good concept. I mean, they show images and they show this and they show that. It looks cool, but it doesn't do what it says. So every time you use this device, okay, you have to recalibrate it over and over again. I can just grab my current stud finder, turn it on, and then start scanning. And it even does wires. It finds electrical current. So why do I need to have something like this that gives a color representation of it? Who cares? If it just says on the screen, AC, that I know there's AC power in the vicinity. I don't need to know a picture rendition of it. I just find it really terrible. It comes with the Type-C to micro USB and a micro USB to micro USB to connect the device. It comes with a double-side sticky that goes from the back of the device to your cell phone, just so it's connected to it. You can use it. This is what I got to do. These are the steps that you have to go through. You get your phone. You get this little stupid thing. You stick it on the back of your phone. It will not work on a tablet, so it has to be a phone. Do it like that. Then you stick this on like so, right? Then you get your cable, and then you got to plug it in like so. Then you run the software. Then you have to recalibrate it. So now I have my phone is like this. So now if I get a phone call, I can't get a phone call because I'm using the stupid product on the thing to do the calibration. I mean, really? Stud finder, boom, done. So now I have this concoction to do a wall scan, and then I have to calibrate each time. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Anyway, guys. It's so much faster just to use my stud finder. That was $20. Anyway, guys, if you like this honest review, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.